Okay, we got the face pretty much what we want here. Now we're going to make, do our eyes, work on our eyes here. Okay, we got this marked. So we're going to drill our holes for our eyes. So we're going to stay inside our mark. I'm using a 5/8 inch drill thing here. Okay, we got that set. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Now we'll take the back of the head off here. Okay, you see we got our eye holes in here. We got to take some of this out in here so we get our eyes to fit. So all this will come out, and then we're going to take some out down here so our spring doesn't catch on it when we put our spring on. The back of the head, we're going to take some off in here. And then we'll take some off down here, so that way our string, when we connect our string, it's not going to rub up on that. So we're going to work on those two things, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.